Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna put one scoop of uh that's what that is curry powder, one scoop, and there's two in there. Okay, right. So it's turned to a different color. It's definitely a different color here. So this is where trying to get this all coated. Come out. You know what? I want to just add a little bit more. A little bit more. Kind of just add a little more to it. This is more. Oh yeah, I can smell the curry. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'll take my chicken. See how I chicken just like that. Alright, that's 2 pound chicken. Alright, I just put in the so now got 2 pound chicken. Okay. So I get the chicken cooking right. Now check this out. Look how it's all pink, right? So to my mix, if you haven't had curry chicken, you are missing out. I'm talking about look at this. Look how coming on. Come on now. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this pan. Good thing it's a good sized pan right here. But look what I'm doing here. I'm getting chicken in here. I'm talking about. It's kind of like. Yes, it's getting. So, this is a met. Chicken. Look. You see how it's coming together? See how it's coming together, right? This, hold on now, Let's get this stir up, really good. Oh boy, alright. Sometimes you wanna put to it, So now, chicken's been cooked. It's been cooked. Well. And get the tomato to back in there. wasting food. Yeah, I'm back in there. So, right. So when you do want to do this, these kind of like. So it looks very yellow looking. So that's the whole detail. The curry chicken, it has to look yellow. So just kind of like, right. Okay. All right. So just gonna go around with the thing here. As you can see, just kind of just get all in here. Just go into it. Well, once it came out, okay, just kind of this. All right, just kind of eyeball everything. Okay, get this thing alone. So what you seeing? The chicken is cooking. The chicken once it came out, put it back in there. It's okay. What you are seeing right now is chicken. It's like it looks like to me. This is not. This ain't done yet. You know what I'm saying, so not done yet. This is just the beginning. So I'm gonna let that cover this. It may be the wrong cover, but I mean it's gonna try to cover the best I can cover it.